Woke up this morning, it felt like heavenly. It felt like the first real taste of fall, and I got a feeling more to come, huh?
Yeah, it's going to get even better later this week. I mean, jacket, sweater weather first thing in the morning if it wasn't already this morning for some of you. Maybe you're a little cold-natured, but later this week, 40s for lows. Let's talk about it coming up here in just a second. In the meantime, I just want to give you a tropical update here because obviously we just had Helene, we've had Milton, and the tropics not over just yet. Remember, hurricane season runs through the end of November. We do have another system out there that we're keeping our eyes on. 60% chance of development here over the next 7 days. Could become Nadine as it moves through kind of the northern Caribbean islands there, kind of setting its sights maybe on the Dominican Republic, Haiti, Cuba, Jamaica area. But here's the deal, at least the overall pattern over the U.S. doesn't necessarily favor this storm making a turn, especially into Florida. Looks like kind of the options are it'll move into Central America or could potentially start to curve back out over the open Atlantic. We'll keep our eyes on that one, but I definitely do not see a repeat of Helene or Milton anytime soon. For us here locally, pretty nice day, especially when we compare it to this weekend. A little above normal, sure, but way better than the weekend. 82 this afternoon, your high, 66 is the low. Normal highs are 79 and 58. Right now outside it is 80 degrees. Humidity continues to remain low. That's good news. Ragweed is high, mountain cedar is moderate, elm is moderate. Fungus is low on the pollen count. And tonight and into tomorrow morning, a little cooler than we were this morning. Upper 50s to low 60s, pretty seasonable start. Normal low is 57. The problem is tomorrow afternoon, it'll be back to warm. 90, well, this afternoon was warm. Maybe we'll say hot for this time of the year. 91 in Dallas, 92 in Fort Worth, not a record high, but we briefly heat up into the 90s again ahead of a reinforcing shot of cooler air, and that cooler air will really cool us down by Wednesday. Here's your Wednesday morning lows. 40s across northern North Texas, 50s for the DFW area and to the south. The coolest fall morning we've seen so far. DFW coolest morning's been 59 degrees, and that was back in September. And this will definitely be the coolest morning we've seen since back in the middle part of April. I think like April 22nd or something like that. So yeah, a little chilly for some of you. Once we get down to the 40s, I can start calling it chilly, and that'll definitely be the case Wednesday morning. Tonight, though, light winds and seasonable. 61 will be your low, and then tomorrow afternoon, it's not a record high, but it is plenty warm for this time of the year, 91. It will come with low humidity, though, so at least it will not feel too humid and sticky. Wednesday morning, we talked about that, but only a high of 70 Wednesday afternoon, 50 Thursday morning. So Thursday morning's even cooler than Wednesday morning. A lot of you could be down in the 40s. 73 Thursday afternoon, 80 on Friday. Some low-end rain chances on Saturday. I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans at this point. We'll keep an eye on that. It looks like better rain chances might be across western North Texas, but the trend kind of is continuing to move rain chances farther and farther west, so I'm not really optimistic. Most of North Texas is going to see rain this weekend and the following week, a mixture of 60s for lows and 80s for highs.